Here's a simple fix-it for a car that makes a whining noise when accelerating. Reason 1. Worn serpentine belt. A dry or slipping belt can create a high-pitched whine when the engine revs. Reason 2. Failing alternator bearing. A bad alternator can whine louder as RPM increases. Reason 3. Power steering pump. Low power steering fluid can cause a whining or groaning noise when accelerating or turning. Reason 4. Transmission issues. A bad transmission pump or low fluid can create a steady whine during acceleration. Reason 5. Wheel bearing. A worn bearing can create a rising and falling whine that gets louder with speed. If the whining changes when turning the wheel, the power steering system is usually the cause. This was another Simple Fix-It. Subscribe for more Simple Fix-Its.